This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. Let's take a look here at a stock that has done well over the last couple of weeks. And this is for December 4th, 2019. And we begin here. For the day, the stock is one of the top percentage gainers for December 4th, 2019. And here is the stock KOD up about 23-24% for the day. And from an educational standpoint, the question is, how do we get some of these stocks before they explode? So a nice gain for the day. And if we go back to October 11th, 2019, I had sent a premium breakout alert for paid subscribers. And we can see here the mention of the stock at the time at 1740. So before this move over the last couple of weeks, the stock has done well since that alert for paid subscribers. Now, from an educational standpoint, let's take a look at what I was looking at the time, and it is this breakout here. Once the stock cleared that level or looked like it was about to break out here, it was a buy. And that's why I sent that premium alert. Now keep in mind, the main reason for this is because it met the minimum requirements. Again, from an educational standpoint, it met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. A very powerful method, a method that I have researched for almost 20 straight years. So I'm pretty much very confident that if you know how to look for similar type situations, you can avail yourself for this type of explosive moves. Now, it's important to stress here that there is no way that I was foreseeing this immediate explosive move over the last couple of months. Now, I'm not saying I saw that coming, but what I'm saying is it met the minimum requirements when I sent that premium alert. It's also important to mention that this is one of our top performers over the last couple of weeks and months. So I'm not trying to say that all the picks are home run winners, but the idea and from an educational standpoint, what I'm trying to stress is the fact that if we can master the minimum requirements, then obviously we can avail ourselves to this type of explosive move. Now, this is a setup that works pretty much for all the top gainers. Now, one thing I should stress out here, this is more or less an IPO from 2018. If we go to the monthly, the stock did not have a fully developed monthly chart in terms of the RSI and MACDs. Only the MACD was showing here. In fact, the small time frame MACD, I used 2 MACD settings. So because of that, I had to use the weekly chart as a way of timing IPOs. And the way you do that is you go to the biggest time frame with the fully developed RSI and MACD indicators. We can see at the time of the breakout, so we can see a price breakout here. And then we can see that the RSI was trading at that time back above 69.1. So that's one of our minimum requirements. And then we can see that the MACDs were trading at pretty much multi-week highs, if not all-time highs. If you want similar alerts, take a look at my service. It's pretty much all I do all day long. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, peace and blessings. E-C-S. Links for this method are going to be in the description of the video. I am